It's a top-of-the-table clash in IPL 2025 as the Delhi Capitals face off against the Gujarat Titans on Saturday, April 19 at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. Both teams have been in brilliant form this season, with Delhi Capitals leading the points table with 10 points from 6 games, while Gujarat Titans is close behind with 8 points in 6 matches. Let's dive into how both teams fared in their last matches, the potential changes for this clash, and all the details you need ahead of the game. In their last outing, the Gujarat Titans faced a tough challenge against the Lucknow Super Giants. Despite a strong start from their top order led by Shubman Gill and Sai Sudarshan, the middle order faltered under pressure, leading to a disappointing defeat. Mohammad Siraj was the standout performer with the ball. Continuing his impressive form this season, the Titans will be keen to bounce back and solidify their position in the top half of the table. Delhi Capitals, on the other hand, are riding high after a dramatic super over victory against Rajasthan Royals. Mitchell Starc was the hero of the match, delivering pinpoint yorkers in the death overs and the super over to seal the win. Starc has been in dazzling form, leading the pace attack with 10 wickets at an economy rate of 8.50. His performance will be crucial in the upcoming game against the Gujarat Titans. Talking about the changes, both teams are unlikely to make any changes in their playing 11. Now, let's take a look at the probable 11 for both teams. For Gujarat Titans, Sai Sudarshan, Shubman Gill, Jos Buttler, Shah Rukh Khan, Sharfin Rutherford, Rahul Tewatia, Washington Sundar, Rashid Khan, R.C. Kishore, Mohammad Siraj and Prasidh Krishna. For Delhi Capitals, Abhishek Purell, Jake Fraser-McCurk, Karun Nair, KL Rahul, Tristan Stubbs, Ashutosh Sharma, Akshar Patel, Vipraj Nigam, Mukesh Kumar, Kuldeep Yadav and Mitchell Starc. In terms of the head-to-head record, Gujarat Titans and Delhi Capitals have faced each other in 5 matches. In these games, Gujarat Titans have secured 2 victories, whereas Delhi Capitals have won 3 times. The match will take place at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. It's a very high-scoring venue, known for its large boundaries and batting-friendly conditions. It has already seen teams crossing the 200-run mark in 2 of the 3 matches played so far. Talking about the weather, the sky will be clear in Ahmedabad on April 19 with no significant rainfall threat. So, we can expect ideal conditions for a full game of cricket. The humidity level will be around 19%. With both teams eager to assert their dominance, this top-of-the-table clash between Gujarat Titans and Delhi Capitals promises to be a spectacle. Stay tuned and don't miss the action live on your screens. And keep watching Cricket Next for more cricket updates.